Welcome to Noise Check, our real-time platform designed to monitor and analyze noise pollution. Here in Tamil Nadu, you can instantly check decibel levels across different hubs, roads, and cities at a glance. Our side panels delivers deep insights from average decibel ratings and primary noise drivers like traffic or trains to dynamic time profiles showing how noise levels shift from morning to night and weekdays to weekends. Users can log in to track live field readings and contribute localized noise data. But we don't stop locally. By zooming out to our global map and toggling our US dataset, we unlock a high-resolution noise heat map covering thousands of traffic corridors, highways, and urban centers in real time. With comprehensive analytics and seamless global coverage, NoiseCheck makes acoustic data visual, actionable, and accessible to everyone. Thank you.